Hello friends, today I am going to make murukku or chakli using moong dal. Trust me, it is really tasty and crunchy. Come, let's make it. For making this moong dal chakli, we need 1/4 cup of moong dal and 1 proper standard cup of rice flour, which is homemade is also okay, or also you can buy it from the market. Both will do good, no problem. That is the ratio what I am taking is 5 parts of rice powder and 1 part of moong dal. This we will wash and boil it in the cooker to fine paste. We will take the dal in the cooker and lightly fry it for 1 minute. We don't want any color or anything. Just will give a simple stir for 1 minute on medium flame. For 1 part of dal, we will take 3 parts of water. This will give a perfect dal consistency. Let the cooker get its pressure built up. Then we will sim it for 5 minutes and it will be perfectly done. Yeah, it's cooked softly. See? Now we will grind it to fine paste. Just 1/4 cup of water you pour so that it can become smooth paste. I made fine paste of this moong dal. You can use either hand blender or in a mixie also you can make like this. Yeah. Now we'll mix the ingredients. Half a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, less than that also will okay. According to taste you take. And half a teaspoon of sesame seed. So 1 cup for 1 cup this is sufficient. And half a teaspoon of jeera. And we'll add only 1 small teaspoon of freshly homemade butter. This I'm having at home. If you don't have, no problem, you can use the hot oil 1 spoon, or you also can use pasteurized butter in place of this. Now we'll give a thorough mix of this, then we'll add the dal. Don't use excess butter or oil because that will lead to breaking down of this murukku in the oil. So just little bit of oil or butter is sufficient. Now we'll add the finely pasted dal half at a time and we'll give a good mix. I need little more water to make it a little softer. The dough should be soft so that it will not crack when we make the chaklis. Soft dough is ready. Now we'll arrange the mold. We'll use this star mold and we'll grease the edges of the container so that the dough will not stick to the container. On a sheet made the chaklis like this. Once the chakli is made, seal the edges so that it will not open in the oil. Hot. Yes, it is hot. Slowly slip in. The flame should be medium to low. will not overcrowd the kadai. Don't disturb it at least for 1 to 2 minutes because it has to be cooked, otherwise it will break down. Now we'll flip it the other side. Once the bubbling stops, we can remove it. That indicates the moisture is gone. Now the bubbles subsided, so we can remove it. Just flip and remove. Yeah. Crispy and tasty Murukku chakli is ready to be served. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.